Hello everyone, welcome to this YouTube channel, a channel for awesome facts and information. In this video, we are going to talk about the top 10 luxury cars. If you are new to this channel, welcome. Consider subscribing to this YouTube channel to continue exploring opportunities, and for more informative videos like this one. It doesn't get any more comfortable than high-end luxury cars. These cars are spacious and packed with the latest technology. Luxury cars come in different shapes and sizes, with a focus on performance or refinement. There's bound to be a car in this list that suits your exacting needs, from power and poise to practical comfort. That means they need to offer outstanding comfort both in the front and back seats, a silky smooth ride, excellent drivability and refinement, ample performance, and they must also serve as better status symbols than most things on four wheels. High levels of in-car technology and infotainment are a must, and connectivity systems that will allow such machines to be used as mobile offices are increasingly important. To help you in your search, we've compiled a list of the 10 best luxury cars for 2021. Number 10, Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG. Mercedes-Benz vehicles are known for a focus on luxurious interiors, leading-edge technology, and sports performance. The 2017 to 2019 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG is the largest member of the AMG C-Class family, which means you have 35.2 inches of legroom and 12.6 CUFT of cargo space. The 2017 to 2019 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG is available as a 4-door sedan, 2-door coupe, and 2-door convertible, so keep an eye out for the one that ticks your boxes. Loaded with the latest driver assist technology, the 2017 to 2019 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG has a long list of standard equipment that's sure to include features on your must-have list. Standard equipment on the 2017 to 2019 Mercedes-Benz C63 AMG includes a 469 HP 4.0 V8 engine, multi-element LED headlights, a Burmester sound system, leather heated seating, and power panoramic sunroof. Number 9, Audi S5. If you're looking for a luxury sedan with a modern flair, the 2017 to 2019 Audi S5 will be an ideal fit. A twin-turbocharged 3.0 V6 is powerful and responsive for spirited driving. Audi's legendary Quattro AWD system gives a confident grip when the road conditions are less than ideal. Available as 3 body types in Premium, Premium Plus, and Prestige trim. A 2017 to 2019 Audi S5 is well equipped, even at the base premium trim. Some highlights include full LED headlights and taillights, Alcantara leather seating, tri-zone automatic climate control with rear controls, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto connectivity, a 7-inch touchscreen, and a 7-inch driver information panel. Number 8, Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG. The smallest AMG C-Class, but no less luxurious, the 2017 to 2019 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG packs technology and comfort into a sedan, coupe, or convertible body. Treat your passengers with stylish leather and suede seating options, ample legroom, and dual-zone automatic climate control. There is also 12.6 CUFT of cargo space in the trunk of 2017 sedan models. The 2017 to 2019 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMG includes AWD as standard, making it great for all-weather trips. All 2017 to 2019 Mercedes-Benz C43 AMGs have a twin-turbo 3.0 V6 engine making 385 horsepower, power tilt telescoping multi-function steering wheel, blind spot assists, and rear cross-traffic alert, multi-element LED headlights, Burmester sound system with Bluetooth streaming. Number 7, BMW M4. The legendary M badge finds its way onto a mid-sized luxury sedan. The 2017 to 2019 BMW M4 sets a high standard for performance. If heart-pounding driving is high on your list, then the 2017 to 2019 BMW M4 competition package should fit the bill. At 425 horsepower, the twin-turbocharged 3.0 L6-cylinder engine gets paired with a snappy 8-speed transmission. Take an open-air trip with the convertible body, or enjoy thrilling luxury for 5 in the M4 Coupe. Depending on the package, 2017 to 2019 BMW M4 features include adaptive full LED headlights, wireless charging, a head-up display, side and top view cameras, 20-inch alloy wheels, and a sport exhaust with black chrome tailpipes. Number 6, BMW 740. Few luxury cars have the presence or interior comfort like the 2018-2019 BMW 740. An impressive 18.2 CUFT of space is available for luggage, shopping, or whatever you take along with you. The 2017-2019 BMW 740 has AWD as an option, featuring BMW's capable xDrive system. Loaded with features, you'll get an 8-speed automatic transmission, real wood trim, and 4-zone automatic climate control. A 2018-2019 BMW 740 is customized further with option packages, although it comes with a long list of standard features: panoramic sunroof, gesture control infotainment system, soft close automatic doors, rear seat and rear window power sunshades, Harman Kardon surround sound system. Number 5, BMW 540. If you want full-sized luxury in a smaller package, the 2017-2019 BMW 540 gives you the same kind of experience you expect from a much bigger luxury car. The 2017-2019 BMW 540 is available in the rear or all-wheel drive. With 36.50 inches of rear legroom and 18.7 CUFT of cargo space, the 2017-2019 BMW 540 excels at long road trips. Only available in one trim, you can customize the 2017-2019 BMW 540 by adding feature packages. There's a long list of standard features on all 2017 to 2019 BMW 540s, which includes a power sunroof, LED headlights and daytime running lights, USB charge ports, and Bluetooth streaming, run flat tires, automatic climate control. Number 4, Genesis G90. Sometimes, a vehicle comes along that shakes things up. The 2017 to 2019 Genesis G90 did just that to luxury cars, offering an impressive list of standard features and technology. The interior and exterior styling draws inspiration from some of the highest caliber luxury cars. Identify the two trims using the engine that powers them: a twin turbocharged 3.3L V6 engine or 5.0L V8. Passengers will be happily in control of the back seats with a fold-down console in the rear bench. Some highlights from the entry-level 2017 to 2019 Genesis 3.3T Premium are an impressive 15.7 CUFT of cargo volume, a tri-zone automatic climate control system with an air purifier and CO2 sensor, a multi-view camera system, Lexicon 17-speaker sound system with Bluetooth streaming, 12.3-inch high-definition touchscreen infotainment. Number 3, Porsche Panamera. A 4-door 4-passenger luxury car, the 2017 to 2019 Porsche Panamera gives you the ultimate comfort, performance, and technology a luxury car has to offer. Sink into soft, comfortable leather seating. Recline the rear seats and take control thanks to a center console. An available rear seat entertainment system uses Bluetooth, NFC, and Wi-Fi to access music, apps, books, and even productivity apps from the Google Play Store. A 2017 to 2019 Porsche Panamera 4S includes some of the following features: heated front seats, 12-inch high-resolution touchscreen with navigation and internal hard drive, integrated TV tuner for analog and digital signal, LED headlights and taillights, blind spot alert, and lane change assist. Number 2, Jaguar F-Type. Blending heritage design and modern styling, the 2017 to 2019 Jaguar F-Type is a two-door luxury escape available in 4 trims. If you want an open-top experience, there's a convertible version available as well. It's the perfect car for vacations, too, as the 2017 to 2019 Jaguar F-Type is surprisingly spacious with 14.4 CUFT of luggage room. The available Windsor leather seats will keep you comfortable on the long haul. Immerse yourself in the optional Meridian 770 surround sound system. At base level, the 2017 to 2019 Jaguar F-Type includes these standard options: a 296 HP turbocharged 2.0L 4-cylinder engine, LED headlights, 8-inch touchscreen, forward emergency braking, Meridian 380W sound system with Bluetooth streaming. Number 1, Mercedes-Benz S550. While the Mercedes-Benz S550 last saw production in 2016, it remains a leading luxury sedan, according to CarMax sales data. The 2016 S550 gets power from a twin-turbocharged 4.7L V8 engine and a smooth-shifting 7-speed automatic transmission. Self-leveling air suspension will have you riding on the clouds. A pair of high-resolution 12.3-inch screens make you feel like you're driving the future. All Mercedes-Benz S550s include an AWD system. Also included, as part of a long list of standard equipment on the 2016 Mercedes-Benz S550, these are the features: an advanced suite of driver assists, Burmester premium surround sound system, a panoramic sunroof with power sunshade, heated and ventilated front seats, dual-zone automatic climate control, air purification, and cabin air fragrance. That's pretty much it for today's video. Do you find this video interesting? Tell us in the comment section below. We hope you've enjoyed it and collected some useful data. If yes, then please give this video a thumbs up, and subscribe to our channel for more informative videos. Don't forget to turn on the notification by pressing the bell icon, so never miss our future uploads. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.